And let's talk about the woods. So usually you see deers in the woods, but you know the males that have antlers don't kill family. They can like hurt you. So yeah, but I don't think we'll be seeing any deers because they run very fast. And I usually don't really go here, but that often. But I actually very excited. So let's actually very scared because I went to the woods once and it was like a little bit dark and there was a lot of leaves on the ground. So no, and I was actually kind of scared. I don't know why, but kind of scared. So this is, I think we're nearly there. I'll just go to some random place because I do not see any cars.
We're going to the woods. What cars do you want to see?
So we're gonna go to the woods. Yeah.
So here we are.
The woods. Also power off.
So where are we?
We're in the woods. Well, we're not really in the woods, but we're close to the woods. I'm
So
actually very scared.
you always want to go to the woods. So
I'm actually very scared.
let me close the car. You got a footpath.
But what
There,
if this car
and a
and then
footpath
break your
there.
car?
None there's not coming to break my car, sweetie.
But what about the male ones? They have like antlers. They're crazy.
You wouldn't find any there, actually.
Crazy. They live in
So
the woods.
there's a footpath there, sweetie.
I'm so scared.
There's nothing to be afraid of. Go on.
Oh my god.
Go on. You said you want to go in the woods, so Daddy's taking you in the woods.
Oh,
We can pitch tents over here
yeah.
and sleep in the bushes. Would you do it?
Yeah.
Would you?
Yeah.
Would you sleep a whole night out here by just me and you?
Whoa. Yeah.
You just said.
But what if we get lost?
So what you think? Because we haven't done a video together for a long time.
Because usually we have rivers nearby.
There's a river down the road. You remember when we did when I was tabbing with my weight on my back and you was riding?
Yeah.
Down the road from here, there's a river that run across the road. See, it's not that scary. All these woods are like footpath where people come and go for a walk. We need a drone. If we had a drone, we could have gone above the trees, couldn't
And then we
we?
can see the world.
Yeah. So, what you have to say?
I love this place.
You love this place? Yeah. Yeah. So over to your right, you realize it's not cleared out. So over there is more bushy. Yeah.
Is that where like this used to go? Because it's like all bushy.
If we were going to
I
camp,
don't
we
know
would have
this
gone
time.
in that area. But yeah, it's cool in the woods, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's very cool. I like that.
That's why I brought my coat. I didn't
It's
bring
not
my-
cold.
Well, I have to bring it just in case.
Just in case what? So yes, guys, this is the a little bit of Wiltshire.
Live in the woods.
Well, in England,
Usually birds. But what else?
you'll have birds. You'll find
This.
deers. You'll find
What else?
hedgehogs. You'll find. That's if you're lucky. Hedgehogs are more of a night creature, so you won't see any now.
They love the night.
Badgers.
Wait, what about wolves?
No,
Oh,
there's no reported sighting of wolves, bears, or anything.
no bears.
So guys, look. If you look over
Look
there,
at that open. I love this place.
you see that's part of the training area.
I heard something.
You're in the woods, you will always hear something.
Something like.
There's a bird over there. Look, there's a blackbird at the root of that tree. You see it?
No.
I'm gonna try and zoom in.
Can't see anything black. at the open, so cool. Look at a view. Do woods have itching ivy?
Lots of ivies.
Is that ivy?
Yeah. No, those are blackberry bushes, but they're
have
very
thorns.
spiky. They got thorns in them.
Let's not go that way. Look at the view. It's beautiful.
So you're in your domain, little Ashley.
Which way did we go?
You can go anywhere.
Which way did you go when you came here?
If you go that way, you can go, but you can go wherever you want to go. You
But
can't.
I'll stay with you. Stay a grown up. Because I would go anywhere in the woods if I was a grown up.
Next time we'll go for a walk.
Lulu's immune to itching ivy.
Next time we'll go for a walk over that area there. See where you can see that white track. That road in the hills.
Yeah. It's a beautiful view, actually.
Yeah.
It's a very beautiful view. Let's keep going forward. Yeah, we could make a movie.
What movie?
A movie
Of the trees.
yeah.
All I know, they're really nice.
Or documentary. There's a lot of trees.
Yeah.
But no animals inside.
See the coloration in this tree there
I see like
is
pink.
very beautiful, very pink, yellowish, cherry type of look.
That's like the only tree that's the only tree that is.
Yeah. These are beautiful.
No animals, but birds.
Yeah.
Not even one single animal, but birds.
But well, I told you you won't be able to see any deers. You won't see any deer actually, and most of all, they wouldn't be here in the open like this. They would be hiding. If they see us coming, they'll be running away. Okay. If we go,
But we can hear footsteps. So, run in.
if a deer is running away, yes, you'll hear the footsteps. But
This is just the open. Like there'll be like electricity places.
yeah,
Or something.
you're always hearing something. Are you
Yeah.
afraid? Okay, so you got bikers coming through.
Oi!
Because they use these for trucks.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Dad, when we get one over, because they're like,
They won't come near us.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a little. Are they a group?
Yeah. So they come to do a little daredevil riding.
Make sure we get a million views. They came from the roads, right?
Yeah, they're going back. They ride in the woods. They go around the trees. They use this as an obstacle course, like.
Right in front of my face.
Yeah. Look at this. This is a makeshift tent. Like somebody
Wait, someone's been here.
Somebody had a makeshift
I think we have that.
survival tent type of thing. So if you cover that with bushes, that look military. That's a lot of military cards on it.
Wonder who.
You want to stand beside it? Yeah. Yeah. The bikers are coming back.